Healthy eating is an important part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It can often be difficult to know what foods are best for you and how to incorporate them into your diet. Spices can be an easy way to add flavor and nutrition to your meals without adding unhealthy fats, sugars, or preservatives. This video will discuss the best spices for optimal health, providing you with the necessary information to redefine your approach to healthy eating. Spices have been used for centuries to add flavor and aroma to food. But what many people don't realize is that spices also contain a variety of health benefits that can improve physical and mental well-being. One of the most important categories of spice benefits are antioxidants, which can help protect against disease-causing free radicals. In addition, some spices also contain compounds that bolster the immune system, ensuring your body is ready to fight off infection. Antioxidants are compounds found in a variety of foods and spices, including cloves, oregano, rosemary, and turmeric. They work by neutralizing free radicals in the body, molecules linked to cell damage, helping protect against diseases like cancer and heart disease. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods helps keep cells healthy and functioning properly for longer. Spices are a great way to add flavor to meals and snacks, but there's more to them than just the flavor. It turns out that certain spices can help improve metabolism and digestion. Many of us take for granted how important a healthy digestive system is for overall health. Eating spicy foods helps the body break down food faster, allowing for better absorption of nutrients in the small intestine. Spicy peppers contain capsaicin, which has been known to boost metabolism through thermogenesis, which is the generation of heat in your body. This process burns calories while increasing metabolic rate, resulting in improved digestion and weight management over time. In addition to peppers, herbs such as ginger and garlic have also been linked with aiding digestion by reducing bloating and cramping caused by indigestion. If you are trying to lose weight but can't seem to curb your appetite, then spices may be the answer you've been looking for. Spices have been used for thousands of years as a flavoring, medicinal, and preservative tool. Today, we are exploring how certain spices can help with weight loss through appetite control. Ginger is one spice that has long been touted as an appetite suppressant due to its ability to reduce hunger hormones in the body. Adding ginger to meals or beverages can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep food cravings at bay. Additionally, turmeric contains compounds that act on the brain's hunger signals and helps reduce overeating by promoting a feeling of fullness after meals. Cayenne pepper is another helpful spice for curbing cravings. It contains capsaicin, which causes thermogenesis even after meals are finished. But cooking with spices is a great way to add flavor and nutrition to dishes. Each spice provides unique flavors, colors, and nutrients that can help make meals more exciting. From garam masala in Indian curries to smoked paprika in Spanish stews, there are endless possibilities when combining different spices to create flavorful and nutritious dishes. When pairing spices, it's best to start with 2 or 3 ingredients at first. This will allow you to learn the nuances of each individual spice before adding more complex combinations. As you become more comfortable blending spices together, feel free to experiment with different mixtures for unique flavors in your recipes. Some classic combos include oregano plus basil for Italian-style pasta dishes or cumin plus coriander for Middle Eastern-inspired cuisines. In summary, adding spices to your daily diet is an easy way to not only improve the flavor of your meals but also provide a wide range of health benefits. From helping to reduce inflammation and improving digestion, to boosting your metabolism and fighting disease, the potential benefits of adding spices to your diet are numerous. As such, it's worth experimenting with different types of spices and seeing what works best for you and your health goals. So why not try it today and see how much better you can feel?